This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Charles Woolley. Great opportunity to live in this 2-bedroom 2-bath at the Metropolitan at Lake Eola. This 6th-floor unit with dream floor plan offers view of the city skyline. Secluded with private balcony overlooking the pool area, it is paradise personified. A short walk from Lake Eola Park and the Disney Amphitheatre, with weekly farmers markets and multiple events year-round, you need to see this to appreciate it. You are a short walk away from the heart of downtown, with Amway Center, the dining room, Phillips Center for the performing arts, and much more. It comes with not one, but 2 parking spots, making for more carefree living. Building has on-site management, 24-hour security, fitness center, and club room. Hurry and make an appointment for a showing before someone snatches it from you. HOA has separate screening process. Sorry, no pets. For more information, review the details below or contact Charles Woolley at 954-693-0100.